Welcome to a world of unparalleled productivity and performance. Are you ready to meet the Lenovo V15 Gen for business laptop? Stay tuned as we delve into its extraordinary features and discover why it's a game changer for professionals. In today's fast-paced world, having the right tools can make all the difference. That's where the Lenovo V15 Gen for business laptop steps in. Designed with your success in mind, this laptop is here to transform the way you work. Featuring a sleek and professional design, the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 is as stylish as it is functional. Its 15.6-inch Full HD screen ensures that every detail is crystal clear, making it ideal for presentations, creative tasks, and more. But it's not just about looks. This laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance. Whether you're multitasking, running complex software, or just browsing the web, it handles it all with ease. With a remarkable 16 GB of RAM, you'll experience unparalleled efficiency. Say goodbye to frustrating lag and hello to seamless, uninterrupted work sessions. And when it comes to storage, the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 goes above and beyond. Equipped with a massive 2TB SSD, you'll have all the space you need to store your documents, projects, and multimedia. Worried about video calls and conferences? The built-in webcam ensures you look your best in every meeting. Plus, with HDMI and Wi-Fi connectivity, you're always ready to connect and collaborate. But what truly sets the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 apart is its operating system. It comes with Windows 11 Pro, the ultimate choice for business professionals. With a user-friendly interface and enhanced security features, your data remains safe while you focus on what matters most, your work. So, there you have it, the Lenovo V15 Gen for business laptop. Your gateway to enhanced productivity and success. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your work life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Leave your comments and questions below. We love hearing from you. Stay productive with the Lenovo V15 Gen 4. See you in the next video.